Good day, everyone. This is the second part of completing the accounting cycle, and we are going to prepare the post-closing trial balance. We have a sample that you can see on the screen. Anyway, let us go over our source. So this is the next step, which is step 9 for the source, or step 8. I would use step 8 for the preparation of a post-closing trial balance. Now, from the term itself, post-closing, meaning this is after. Post means after, that's a prefix. Closing, which is clearly what we did. So after we closed the nominal accounts or temporary accounts or income statement accounts, which are the income, expenses, and drawing to the capital account, including income summary or income and expense summary, of course, we now prepare a trial balance, which would show to us the remaining accounts, which are the real or permanent or balance sheet accounts, namely assets, liabilities, and capital or equity, or net assets or net worth. So those are same terms, but we are using more of the terms capital and equity here in fundamentals of accounting or basic accounting. Then, why are we preparing this? Because we have to make sure that after we have closed the nominal accounts or temporary accounts, we are still balanced. So just like when we posted the journal entries to the ledger, we made sure that we are balanced by preparing an unadjusted trial balance. That is step 3. Then after we prepare the adjustments using the worksheet, although worksheet is an optional step, we prepared adjusted trial balance as part of the form to check that after we have already incorporated the adjustments, we are still balanced. So those things. Now, we have to be careful, just like trial balance, about the placement of the account titles, that what is a debit balance should be placed on the debit balance as well as the credit balance, and so on and so forth. So those are some issues from trial balance that we can carry forward, or we can also include in our analysis here. Then this particular trial balance will only include, once again, the balance sheet items, asset, liabilities, and equity, and would not show any temporary or nominal accounts because they have already been closed, thus having zero balances. And as a rule, for preparing trial balance, only the remaining balances with open balances, meaning balances of having 1 to infinity, shall be incorporated or shall be forwarded to the trial balance. So this is an example of our post-closing trial balance. You can see here the heading. So whenever we prepare a report, we always prepare a heading. The heading is composed of the name of the company, the report that we are preparing, and the date line. So Weddings R Us, post-closing trial balance, we can inform and we can improve this one further on by putting the phrase for the month ended May 31, 2019. Just like when we prepared the trial balance, we improved it, worksheet, all financial statements except the balance sheet, because balance sheet will be worded as of, but the rest, it will be for the period ended. Okay, so missing also here will be the account titles, debit, credit, heading, and then we put some spaces before and after. Balance, of course, if one space, it should be one space also after to make it nice, neat, and clean, so in good form. Then peso signs are to be placed beginning and end. You can notice that. Missing here would be the word totals. So we can put here totals. Then we have to take note that cash assets should be on the debit side. Contra assets should be credit. Then liabilities should be on the credit and equity. This is not of much trick though, as compared to trial balance, because for trial balance, unadjusted, of course, there would be expenses, there would be drawing and income. So the flow could be disrupted, like after, for example, the capital here would be having drawing, debit, right? And then income, credit, then expenses, debit. So there's a lot of movement that is going on. As compared with post-closing, we are talking about assets, Exceptions would be the contra assets on credit side, then liabilities and equity would be on the credit side. All right, so that's it for preparing post-closing trial balance. Quite an easy step. Then hopefully you learned something from this session. Thank you very much and God bless.